Hi children, good morning. Third class maths, page number 76. Our new chapter is basic geometry beta. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the point, line and about all the geometry. Okay, so first we will see what is a point. Point is a mark of position. Okay, it is represented by a dot. Okay, and these are denoted with the capital letters, and when it is written like this, how we will read this? Point A, point P, point Q, point R. And next is the line. Line means always a straight line, and it will be having a set of points, and on both the sides we have an arrow mark. Okay, and this line can extend in both the directions, and it is named with two capital letters. See, line AB. This line is called as line AB, and this is the symbol of line. Okay, AB. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలా చదవాలి? Line AB, line PQ. Okay. Now about the line segment. See, when two points are joined with a line, it is called as a line segment. This has no arrow marks, and it is the shortest distance, and it is also denoted with the two capital letters, and this is the symbol for the line segment, and this is read as line segment MN, line segment CD. Okay, a sleeping line is called as a horizontal line. Okay, sleeping line, ilanti line ni horizontal line antaru. Standing line, this line is called as the vertical line. And slanting, ila draw chesaru chudandi lines, వీటిని slanting lines అని అంటారు. Next, about a ray. So it is a line starting from a point and extending indefinitely in one direction. So this is called as a ray, and this can be up to any it can extend up to indefinitely in one direction, and this one side is we have a point, and other side we have an arrow mark. This is called as a ray. The symbol of ray is this one, and we read this as ray EF, ray GH. Okay, now about the angles. See, this is one ray and this is one ray. Yes or no? One ray and this is one ray. So when two rays meet, the meeting point of the ray is called as the angle. ఈ two rays ఇక్కడ meet అవుతుంది కదా ఈ center point లో, this is called as the angle. Okay, and this angle is denoted by the capital letters. Angle is denoted by a single letter or by the three capital letters. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఈ సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఉంది కదా నాన్న, ఈ మీటింగ్ పాయింట్ ని ఏమంటారు? యాంగిల్. దీన్ని ఎలా డినోట్ చేస్తారు? యాంగిల్ ఏ. ఏమంటాము? యాంగిల్ ఏ. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ టూ లైన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఒక సెంటర్ పాయింట్ లో ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ టూ లైన్స్ ఇలా డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో కలుస్తున్నాయి కదా. సో దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్, అండ్ దిస్ angles are formed here. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles will be formed here. Okay, and we can write this as COA, angle COA. Angle symbol idi nana. Okay, angle COA. Next, angle COB, angle AOD, angle BOD. Now, parts of an angle. So this when two lines meet at a point, it is formed as an angle, and this point where they are meeting is called as the vertex, and the rays are there, no, these are called as the arms. Okay, so how we can name an angle? So here, when you see here we have only one angle formed. ఇక్కడ టూ లైన్స్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఒకటే లైన్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయిందన్న. సో దిస్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద వర్టెక్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ ద యాంగిల్ ఈస్ యాంగిల్ ఈ. అదర్వైజ్ వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో రైట్ యాజ్ యాంగిల్ PET, యాంగిల్ PET. So this can be written like this. Okay, angle PET. Now here 3 rays are meeting at a point, no? How many angles are formed here? 3 angles are formed. And what are they? Angle CAP, angle CAT, angle TAP or PAT. Okay. And here how many angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are formed. So this you can learn more in your higher classes also, children. And we use geometry box for our this chapter. For this we need a compass. What you will be in the compass box? Compass, divider, protractor, set square and ruler. Ruler is nothing but the scale, no. So these are the set squares and this is the protractor. Okay, this is the divider. Now in the page 81 we have the exercise here. First one is fill in the blanks choosing the correct answers. Okay, first one, a line can be extended on both sides. True. Write true here. A line segment is the longest distance between 2 points. False. It is the shortest distance, Nana. A ray can extend in dash directions. Both are 1. Answer is 1. This is read as, what is this symbol? Line segment. Line segment AB. This is read as line segment AB. And this is read as ray or line? Line. Line PQ. Okay. Now here name the angles in the given figures using 3 capital letters. So this is, here we have 4 angles, no? And the common angle is A here. So we can write angle PAR. Angle PAR. Angle RAT. Angle RAT. Angle TAE. Angle EAP. Okay. Now next here, what are the angles here? Angle PQS. Angle SQR. Angle PQR. Now identify the vertex and the arms of the angles. What is the vertex here? Q. And what are the arms here? QP and ray QR. And what are the angles formed here? What is the angle formed here? Angle Q or angle PQR also we can write it. Okay. In the next page here, what is the vertex here? Meeting point is here, no? This is vertex I. And what are the arms here? Ray TI and ray PI. What is the angle formed here? Angle I. Or we can also write angle PIT. And in this, what is the vertex here? E. Arm ray ME, ray NE. And the angle is angle E or angle MEN. And here, what is the vertex? The meeting point is O. And what are the arms? Ray PO and ray TO. And the angle is O, angle O or angle POT. Okay, children. Now here in the next page, measuring the line segments using a ruler. It means scale. How to measure a line by using a scale? Scale use chesi line enta undo manam ela kanukuntam. See, from here you have to measure. Okay. What is the length of this line? 6.5. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5 లైన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ 5th లైన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 6.5. ఒకవేళ లైన్ ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉంటే 7 centimeters we can write. Okay, once you try with the help of a scale the length of these lines and write here, children. Okay children, for today you complete this. Have a nice day, children.